القرآن للذكر فهل من مدكر.
Salam Alykum. Be sure to download your free implementation workbook. We go through it step by step. All the videos correspond with it. We have laid it out very strategically so you can master Quranic Tajweed and Quranic Mastery and implement it while you go along. Okay, so be sure to download this and it will help you on your journey. It's free to download. The link should be in the description. Salam Alykum.
This is one of the slides that is addition to the previous one on al-Maqtoo. There is one final word which is written with Maqtoo, and that's Fima. Fima is the Maqtoo which is written in 10 places of the Quran. And we can see if we're going to stop on Fima, then let's see how we stop. فَلَا جُنَاحَ عَلَيْكُمْ فِي. Okay, if we're going to stop, it's going to be فَلَا جُنَاحَ عَلَيْكُمْ فِي. So if we're going to continue as normal. فَلَا جُنَاحَ عَلَيْكُمْ فِي مَا فَعَلْنَ. And this one is وَلَكِنْ لِيَبْلُوَكُمْ فِي مَا آتَاكُمْ. And this one, let's stop on this one. قُلْ لَا أَجِدُ فِي. If we're going to stop, of course, continuation is normal. فِيمَا أُوحِيَ إِلَيَّ مُحَرَّمًا. And to the end of the part there. And the same occurs for all of them. Inshallah, this is very, very clear now. You should know the Maqtoo lessons very easily.
If you enjoyed this video, guys, please like this video so we know you enjoy it, as we can make more. Please write a comment and tell us what you thought about the lesson. And don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe now. Jazakallah. Salam Alykum.